Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you people are good. And the previous video is clear to you people, and in that we have completed the closure property for all basic operations, all 4 basic operations. Now today in this video we are going to study about commutative property. In the commutative property, what we have to do, we need to check whether LHS part and RHS part are equal or not without irrespective of their places. For example, if I am having a chalk piece in my hand, if I will hold here, this chalk piece is chalk piece itself. If I will change the position this chalk piece from right hand to left hand, if I am holding in my left hand, the chalk piece is remain chalk piece only. It is not becoming a pencil, it is not becoming a sharpener, eraser or anything. So what is I want to say that if we are changing the position of any number, the result remains same, then we have to say that property is commutative property. Let's practically we are going to perform. First, integers, everybody know what are the integers. Okay, I will write the first property. What is that property? Commutative property. Commutative property of addition, for what? Yes, exactly, for integers. For integers. The general form, is a plus b equals to b plus a, where a and b are integers. Okay, so as we are having 2 parts here, this is LHS part, this is RHS part. Okay, so first I will take one box. Here I will write LHS, RHS, this I will write conclusion. Okay, what is there in LHS part? Yes, in LHS we are having a plus b and RHS b plus a. Conclusion, we need to say whether they are commutative or not under whatever the operation we are performing. Here we are performing addition, so any 2 integers you need to take. Okay, so suppose 2 plus of minus 3 are the integers? Yes, they are integers. Here right hand side what we are having, 3 b plus a. What is b value? Minus 3 plus 2. What is the answer? Yes, exactly, it is minus 1. Here also 2 plus of minus 3 minus 3, which is nothing but minus 1. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So here first I will write the serial number as well, so it will be convenient to you how many we have done. Serial number, first one we have done here. In the conclusion we have to say the result is, what is the result? Yes, definitely the result is integer itself. Okay, if you are writing a plus b or b plus a, what is happening? Both the side you are getting the result as integer itself. Okay, so in the conclusion also you will get LHS and RHS are equal. What you are going to write in the conclusion? LHS equals to RHS. Now second, one more case we will take, any integer of your own. Suppose minus 6 plus 2. Here what we have to do? First a value is 2, then minus 6. Okay, definitely minus 6 plus 2 you will get it as minus 4, and 2 minus 6 also, here also you are getting minus 4. So what is the conclusion you are going to write? LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Now one more case I will take. AB value of your own you need to take. Suppose 3 plus 9, 9 plus 3, as they all are integers only. So 3 plus 9 is 12, 9 plus 3 is also 12. So what is happening here? Yes, here also LHS equals to RHS. So what do you have observed here? When you are adding any two integers, definitely the result is integer only. If you are adding vice versa by changing their positions, A plus B or B plus A. So without irrespective of their positions, we are getting the result as same, and everywhere you are finding the LHS and RHS are equal. So hence based on this we can say that commutative property of addition for integers. Okay, integers are satisfied. Okay, integers are verified, integers are satisfied, commutative property under addition. Okay, this is the general form. Or here also I will say, first LHS part we will take. Okay, LHS, what is LHS? LHS is A plus B. You need to take A value. Let A is equals to 15, B is equals to 5 or minus 5 you can take. So what we need to perform? We need to perform A plus B commutative property. So what is the value of A? A is 15, B is plus of minus 5. So 15 plus into minus 5. 15 minus 5 is nothing but 10. So this 10 is nothing but your LHS value. Okay. Okay ma, this is LHS. LHS you got it as 10. Now let's check out for RHS part. What is RHS? Yes, exactly, the RHS is B plus A. What is the value of B? Yes, B is minus 5 you have taken. So minus 5 plus 15. Again you need to do the subtraction. So 15 minus 5 is nothing but 10. So what is this 10? Exactly, this 10 is nothing but your RHS. So RHS you are getting as 10. So by this LHS part and RHS part, it is very much clear that LHS and RHS both are equal. So here you are going to write LHS equals to RHS. Therefore what you have to say? Integers are commutative. Integers are commutative under which operation? Yes, integers are commutative under addition. Hopefully the concept is clear to you people. This commutative property of addition for integers we have done. The general form is A plus B equals to B plus A. We are having two parts. One is LHS and another one is RHS part. We have to check whether they both are equal or not. If they are equal, then the integers are satisfied. If they are not equal, then the integers are not satisfied. And we have saw here few examples of integers we have taken. We substituted RHS, LHS, all are becoming equal. There is no condition we found for these numbers that they are unequal. They all are equal only. So based on that we said LHS and RHS are equal. Hence integers are commutative under addition. You can try, you can verify whether these integers are commutative or not under addition by taking your own integers. Inshallah we are going to meet in the next video with the other operation, that is subtraction. Jazakallahul khair. Inshallah we'll meet in the next video.